Right now, the universe is still erasing itself from your eyes, and NASA, the Hubble Space Telescope, and every physicist at Caltech has no way to stop it. You think you're looking at space. You're not. You're looking at what your brain decided to let through. And what it's throwing away, what it's been throwing away your entire life, could be the most important thing in the cosmos. But here's what nobody is telling you. Your eyes are a filter, not a window, a filter. And they were never built to see the universe. They were built to help you dodge predators on an African savanna 3 million years ago. Evolution didn't care about the cosmos. It cared about survival. And so the eyes it gave you can only detect a razor-thin slice of light, the visible spectrum, wavelengths between 380 and 700 nanometers. That sounds technical. Here's what it means. The full range of light that exists in this universe spans 25 orders of magnitude. 25. And your eyes can see one thin band within that. One stripe on a scale so vast it makes our entire Milky Way look like a grain of sand in the ocean. Everything else, gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, infrared, microwaves, radio waves, completely invisible to you, completely gone. Now here's where it gets genuinely alarming. Scientists can build telescopes to detect those other wavelengths. They've done it. Webb sees infrared. Chandra sees X-rays. The VLA listens in radio. And when they look at the universe through those eyes, the ones evolution never gave you, what they find is devastating. The universe you think you know is almost entirely wrong. The cosmic web, the largest structure ever detected, a spiderweb of filaments connecting galaxy clusters across billions of light years, is completely invisible to your naked eye. The jets screaming out of active galaxies, each one 1,000 light years long and carrying more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime, you can't see them. Massive clouds of hydrogen gas, the raw material for every star that will ever be born, invisible. The universe is full, impossibly full, and your eyes are reporting back that it's mostly empty. That's not perception. That's deletion. And that's not even the part that worries them. So the obvious fix seems clear, right? Just use the telescopes. Just look at the data. Except the problem runs deeper than that. Because the instruments we've built, as extraordinary as they are, still can't show us most of what's actually out there. Dark matter makes up 27% of the universe. It produces no light at all, no radiation, nothing your eyes can detect, nothing any telescope can capture directly. Dark energy, the force accelerating the expansion of the entire universe right now, in this moment, as you watch this, accounts for another 68%. Also completely undetectable. We can only infer it. That means everything you have ever seen, every star, every galaxy, every nebula photograph that ever took your breath away, that is less than 5% of what actually exists. But here's the strange part. It shouldn't be possible at all, not like this. Because it's not just what your eyes can't see. It's what your brain actively destroys. Right now, there is a blind spot in each of your eyes, a patch of your retina where the optic nerve connects, where there are 0 photoreceptors, 0 light detection. None. And you have never once perceived that gap in your entire life. Not once. Because your brain fills it in. It fabricates. It takes what's around the edges and invents what should be in the middle and hands you a seamless, confident picture of a reality it partially invented. Neuroscientists call this predictive coding. Your brain doesn't wait for information to arrive. It guesses constantly, relentlessly, and only updates when the guess is wrong. You are not perceiving reality. You are perceiving your brain's best prediction of reality. Now take that principle and apply it to the cosmos. Every photograph, every telescope image, every piece of data we've ever collected about the universe. It has been filtered, interpreted, and reassembled by human brains that evolved not to understand the cosmos, but to survive long enough to reproduce. We never evolved to see what's really out there. And that is the part scientists won't say out loud. Because if it's true, if we are constitutionally, neurologically, physically incapable of perceiving most of what exists, then every cosmological model we've ever built is incomplete. Every map of the universe is a map of the 5% we can sense, not the 100% that's actually there. The Hubble tension, The fact that two separate methods of measuring how fast the universe expands give two answers that cannot be reconciled might not be a measurement error. It might be a perception error. We might be missing something vast and structural in the 95% we cannot see, something that changes everything. Dark matter fits no particle in our standard model. Dark energy fits no known force. Physicists at CERN have run every test they can run. Nothing. And some of them quietly, privately, are beginning to wonder if the problem isn't in the universe. The problem is in us. So what is actually out there in the 95% we've never seen? What is it doing right now, invisible, all around us, in every direction? And if we could somehow truly perceive it, would the universe we discovered look anything like the one we think we know? Drop your answer below, because no one, not NASA, not Harvard, not anyone has one yet.